Okay, students, today we will study class 7. This is class 7 maths fractions. So any number of the form a by b where a and b are natural numbers. ठीक है? So any number of the form a by b where a and b are natural numbers is called fraction. कोई भी नंबर जैसे 15 by 8 ये भी एक फ्रैक्शन है, 17 by 6, 8 by 1, these all are fraction. And this ए जो पार्ट है ए को क्या बोलेंगे? न्यूमरेटर, और बी को क्या बोलते हैं? डेनोमिनेटर. नाउ इन दिस फ्रैक्शन 15 by 8 न्यूमरेटर कितना है? फॉर 15 by 8 न्यूमरेटर इज is 15, numerator equals to 15 and denominator equals to 8. ठीक है? Now there are 5 types of fraction. Proper first one is types of fraction. First one is proper fraction. First one is proper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is less than its denominator means a fraction in which numerator is less than its denominator. ओके, ऐसा फ्रैक्शन जिसमें न्यूमरेटर यानी ऊपर वाला वैल्यू डिनोमिनेटर से कम हो, वैसे फ्रैक्शन को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. एग्जाम्पल 3 by 7, 5 by 11. ये ऐसे हम लोग क्या प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. टाइप ऑफ फ्रैक्शन इज इम्प्रॉपर. Okay, so second type is improper fraction. Suppose a by b, this represents fraction. So improper fraction क्या है? ऐसा फ्रैक्शन जिसमें न्यूमरेटर is more than its denominator, means a is greater than b. Okay, example 7 by 11, sorry 11 by 25 by 12. Next is decimal fraction. Third one is decimal fraction. In this fraction, denominators are in the form 10, 100 or 1000. In which a fraction in which denominator is in the multiple of 10,
100,
yeah, 10, 100 and 1000. Then such type of fraction are called decimal fraction. Right? 3 by 10, 27 by 1000. These are decimal fractions. Next one is vulgar fraction. Vulgar fraction. In this, denominator is a whole number, a fraction in which denominator is a whole number. ऐसा fraction जिसमें denominator whole number हो, other than 10 or 100 हो. For example,
2 by 9,
2 by 9,
4 by 13,
4 by 13,
13 by 20,
13 by 20.
and
These are vulgar fraction. Mixed fraction is expressed as the sum of natural number and a proper fraction. For example, 1 3 by 4. Okay, in this way, 2 3 by 5. So this is 1 and 2 are what? Natural numbers, and 3 by 4
are proper,
and 3 by 5 are proper fraction. So mixed fraction is expressed as the sum of natural number and proper fraction. Now if the fraction is given as 3
by 2,
4 5 by 7. Now how to change into improper fraction? What we do? We multiply 4 into 7, 28 plus 5. 4 into 7 plus 5 by 7. 28 plus 5 by 7. 33 by 7. So this is improper fraction. So mixed fraction can be converted into improper fraction. Similarly, we can convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Like for example, 38 by 7. This can be written as 5 3 by 7. So this is improper fraction. It is converted into, we can convert into, by dividing we can convert it into mixed fraction.
action sir. Sir action देखिए.
ऑन कर दिया
कब का सर?
बट
कॉमेडी कर. Action. बोलते तो कुछ भी बोली.
hello. Now addition of fraction. Addition of fraction. For adding two like fraction. अब इसमें एक चीज समझना है, like fraction
Unlike fraction.
and
Unlike
unlike
fraction. Fraction. Equal
fraction.
Equal.
ठीक है. Like fractions are those fractions whose denominator is same. जैसे 5 by 12,
5 by 12.
6, 8, 9 by 12. These are like fractions. Unlike fraction, like 2 by 5, 5 by 7, जिसका दोनों न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों डिफरेंट रहता है. ओके
इक्वल फ्रैक्शन नहीं मिलेगा.
Now if like convert 84 by 98, convert into irreducible form, reducible form मीन्स इसको 84/98 को इरिड्यूसिबल फॉर्म में ऐसे तोड़ना है कि उसके फर्दर मतलब इसका जो सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म है उसको फर्दर हम लोग रिड्यूस नहीं ब्रेक नहीं कर सकते हैं. तो क्या करेंगे, पहले HCF लेंगे. तो मेथड क्या है, HCF विल फर्स्ट स्टेप इज टू टेक HCF ऑफ 84 and 98. Then HCF is 14. Now what we'll do, we'll divide the 84 by 98. We'll divide with HCF. 84 divided by 14. 98 divided by 14. Result is 6/7. Hence this 6/7 is irreducible form. So in this way we can convert one fraction into other. Okay, so by this you can solve the numericals. Okay, exercise, you can complete exercise 1. Thank you.